Fepulea'i Solo is only like a branch off of Laughing Samoans. Laughing Samoans are still going because a lot of people thought that Etienne and I separated, but no, we love each other so much. We still stick together.
Yeah,
I mean, like, you drive to Mary, you're like, oh, what's that Flash place?
Oh my gosh, it's really beautiful. This is our first time in here.
And lately I've been watching a bit more theatre because it's here at home in South Auckland.
I think it's really important to have venues like this, but to have something nice and compact and small like this gives people, artists or entertainers like myself, the opportunity to be able to test things out.
When he was starting to take it off, all I could hear was women say, "Take it off! Come on, take it off! Oh, Sunny Bell, Sunny Bell!" But that was my wife sitting next to me. You know, and I thought to myself, hey, hello, I'm right here. And I thought, poor Sonny Bill, you know, because I know how that feels. You know, not the woman screaming, but you know what it's like to take off something that's too tight, you know?
First I'm going to see him live, I'm pretty excited.
Really excited.
It turned out we might be the only Tongans here.
The arrival of the Ikaletahi, when they arrived in Auckland, the awesome support that they had. You know, there was about, how many, about 7,000 Tongans out there supporting their team coming out. You know, you know, they were all supporting them, and I thought, you know, right there and then, what I saw on TV was probably the world record for the most sick leave on one day. You know,
this is just the outlook of the way Tofiga sees things as a New Zealand-born Samoan.
You know, so, you know, we ended up with like 30 people in this 3-bedroom house, you know, all sleeping, standing up. And I wouldn't have it any other way, the way that I was raised, you know, my family learning how to share and stuff like that, and then also the skill of how to hold out on your family. You know, people get, hey, you've been in the toilet all day.
Never get hecklers. You get the odd opportunity, someone might walk in late, or a baby might cry, or someone will laugh out of sync, and you know, but you use that as all part of the show.
And I remember when I got into college, that's when, you know, the body started changing, you know. It looks like your body was changing too. Yeah. Just kidding, just kidding, just kidding. That's a massive change. Now,
every night is a fresh show because I can't remember what I did the last show.
Cut it in.